This is my AKAI GX-210D, and it has a problem that from what I've heard, it's a common problem to these machines. Let me show you what happens. This is a problem. If I put it in reverse play, sometimes it stays, sometimes it doesn't, but if I play forward play, there you are, the tape slips away. Let's see on high speed. The problem is also on high speed. On reverse play it doesn't happen, but I assure you it happens many times. It doesn't happen now. Boom. Okay. Many times the problem for this is the pinch roller here that does not have equal depth. Okay, sometimes it's higher here on the corner and it's deeper here in the middle, so it grabs the tape unequally and causes this problem. So I will try and get that thing fixed here and see if that solves the problem. So, this is the cheapest way to do this. And what do I have here? I have an old pinch roller which is not in good shape. This comes from AKAI GX-210D, but it happens that they share the exact same pinch roller with the AKAI GX-210D. Okay. So I bought a tire. Okay, you can buy this from eBay. It's the cheapest solution you can find, and I will try to put this tire on this pinch roller. As you can see, it fits exactly. It's the same tire. Okay. I have a glue here to glue this tire to this pinch roller. I have a knife to take out the rubber from this one. I have some piece of paper because you can always mess things up, and I have here some sanding papers which I will use to clean this from remains of the old tire. Okay, I will try and do this solution because I always hear people saying that this solution will not work. So I wanted to test it. This tire wasn't very expensive. If it doesn't work, I will buy a whole pinch roller here. Okay. Now let's start by taking out the old tire. Okay. To cut the old tire it's easy, but I don't know how easy it may be to take it out. Let's see. Be careful because when you do things like that, the knife might slip away and cut your finger. So always be very careful when you do works like that. You can see how it's done, but there are always remains of the tire. so I will try to take them out later. Looks like I didn't do it very well here, but I will keep on trying. This is the most dangerous, the most dangerous way to get cut. Like you're trying and then you tuck, and you have your finger here and you cut it. So there is a lot of rubber remained, so I have to try harder. Okay. I think that is the best I could do with this tool. I've thought of something to do, and I will go and try it now, and I will show you what I thought as soon as I have everything arranged. So I thought that this would be the easiest way to clean the tire on the front, and I'm gonna do this. Can you see? I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Can you see the tire? It looks like nearly cleaned completely. So let me just take it out of there. And let's see now if the new tire fits. So the new tire is a little bit tighter, but that's how it should be, so that it grabs the pinch roller somehow. But I am a little bit afraid that if I try and fit the tire with force, I will damage the tire, cut it somehow. Let's see. Okay. Now I will press it here. Looks like it fitted totally, and I don't even think it needs a glue, because you can see it fits exactly, and but it fits also very tight, and I don't think we need glue here. So I think it's the best time to have a look how it works. So the new pinch roller, the old pinch roller with the new tire is fitted here. I won't show the procedure, it's very easy. You just unscrew this cap here and you pull it out. You oil the central axe and then you put the new one in. It's very easy. Let's see now how it goes. As you can see, the tape is not really straight. You can see the tape exactly here. That it lifts a little bit, but it doesn't slip out like it used to do. Let me do something. As you can see, if I press the tape a little bit, it starts going out, but it comes back. Can you see? Okay, now it went out completely. But if you just press it a little bit, and it returns back in the middle. Let me see the reverse. So what I would say is that it's not perfect, but it's much better. And what is much better is that with the old tire, if the tape would go a little bit to the side like that, it would not come back in the middle. It would just slip away inside. Okay. So I think that after doing this, my machine has some years more. Okay, that was all. Thank you.